What if you could completely transform your backyard into the ultimate outdoor living space? A place to grill, party, relax, and do it all no matter the weather. Today on Techegadget, we're breaking down one of the most impressive outdoor structures on the market right now. This is the maple 12 by 20 foot premium cedar wood patio gazebo by Elevate Outdoors. And trust me, this thing is built like an absolute tank. If you've been searching for the perfect outdoor gazebo that combines stunning design, real weather durability, and practical functionality, you are watching the right video. So stay with me because by the end of this review, you'll know exactly whether this gazebo belongs in your backyard or not. Let's get into it. Let's start with the big picture. The Maple Gazebo by Elevate Outdoors is a 12 foot by 20 foot outdoor pavilion designed to serve as your go-to space for everything, whether that's backyard parties, weekend grilling sessions, or simply a covered lounge area where you can enjoy the outdoors without worrying about sudden rain. The frame is constructed from 100% premium solid FSC-certified cedar wood, which is naturally resistant to decay and comes with all parts pre-cut and pre-drilled for precision assembly. The roof is made of heavy-duty galvanized steel with a distinctive 5-degree slope design that gives it a sleek, modern architectural look. This isn't just a decorative backyard feature. It's a fully functional outdoor structure engineered to withstand serious real-world conditions. Elevate Outdoors has clearly designed this product with both aesthetics and performance in mind, and that philosophy shows in every detail of this gazebo. Now let's talk about how this thing actually looks and feels up close, because first impressions matter. The cedar wood finish has a rich, warm brown tone that looks absolutely gorgeous in any outdoor setting. Whether you have a manicured garden, a minimalist patio, or a more rustic backyard setup. The rectangular shape with clean straight lines gives it a sleek, contemporary feel that modern homeowners are going to love. What really stands out in the build quality is the specially designed angled support brace system. These aren't just decorative additions, they're engineering solutions that significantly enhance the structural stability and overall durability of the entire frame. The galvanized steel roof is resistant to both rust and fading, meaning it's going to look sharp season after season without the kind of deterioration you'd normally expect from cheaper outdoor structures. Every post is solid cedar wood reinforced with ground expansion screws and anchoring plates with covers, keeping the entire structure locked firmly to the ground. This is a gazebo that's been designed to last, and you can see and feel the quality the moment you start putting it together. Alright, let's dig into the features that really make this gazebo stand out from the competition. First up is the innovative slope roof design. That 5-degree roof pitch isn't just about aesthetics. It's a smart engineering choice that prevents water from pooling on top of the roof during heavy rain. Water slides right off, meaning no sagging, no structural stress, and no mess. Paired with that is a professional integrated gutter system that channels rainwater efficiently down to the ground so you get a completely dry outdoor experience even during a downpour. No random drips catching you off guard. Now, here's the feature that genuinely impressed me most. The all-weather durability rating. This gazebo has been ProTech tested to withstand winds up to 85 miles per hour and snow loads up to 20 inches deep. That means whether you're dealing with a fierce winter storm or a serious summer windstorm, this structure holds its ground. The roof slope design also plays a role here by distributing the pressure from snow cover evenly across the structure, rather than letting it pile up in one spot. The cedar wood itself is naturally resistant to decay, rot, and insects, which is a massive advantage for an outdoor structure that lives outside 365 days a year. And unlike treated synthetic materials, cedar doesn't require heavy chemical maintenance to stay in good shape. Everything about this gazebo screams long-term investment, not just a short-term backyard decoration. Let's be real, nobody wants to spend a week trying to figure out how to put a gazebo together. The good news is that Elevate Outdoors has made this process much more straightforward than you might expect for a structure this size. The gazebo arrives in multiple labeled boxes, and every single component is clearly marked, so you're not playing a guessing game with hundreds of mystery parts. The assembly instructions are clear and detailed, and Elevate Outdoors also backs this up with dedicated customer support if you run into any questions along the way. One important note: Anchor and mounting materials are not included in the package, so you'll want to plan ahead and have those foundation materials ready before you start your build day. The pre-cut and pre-drilled cedar wood components save a significant amount of time during assembly, and the extra strong cedar posts with ground expansion screws ensure that once it's up, it stays up. Overall, if you're reasonably handy and have a helper or two, this is a very manageable installation project. So let's wrap this up with my honest take. On the pros side, the 12 by 20 foot footprint gives you a genuinely spacious covered area, perfect for parties, grilling, or just relaxing outdoors. The FSC certified cedar wood is premium grade, naturally durable, and beautiful. The galvanized steel slope roof with the integrated gutter system is a standout engineering feature. The all-weather Protect rating gives you real confidence that this structure won't fail you when the weather turns serious. And the clean, modern design fits effortlessly into a wide variety of outdoor aesthetics. On the con side, anchor and mounting materials are not included, so budget for that separately. And like any natural wood product, cedar will develop a silver gray patina over time if left untreated. So some maintenance or sealing is recommended if you want to preserve that original warm brown color. Bottom line, if you're a homeowner who takes outdoor living seriously and you want a gazebo that's beautiful, built tough, and designed to last for years, the Maple Cedar Wood Gazebo by Elevate Outdoors is absolutely worth the investment. This is not a flimsy pop-up tent. This is a real outdoor structure. That's a wrap on today's review here on Techegadget. If this video helped you make a decision, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and lets me know you want more reviews like this. If you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a product breakdown. Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you team backyard gazebo or are you still on the fence? I read every single comment. The link to check pricing and availability on this gazebo will be in the description below. Until next time, I'm your host, and this has been Techegadget. See you in the next one.